So I'm just going to show you the full length of this living room. This is massive for Bangkok. Hello everyone, it's Niall in Thailand here. I'm just checking out another condo in Bangkok. So at the moment I've been living in Un Nut now for 6 months, and I'm happy enough with the area, but the condo itself is just too small. Like, you know, it's 30 square meters. You know, it's 9,000 baht, which is fine for the price, but it would be fine if it was just myself. Like, you know, but if you're living here, if you've got a girlfriend, you're living with your girlfriend, you need a bigger place. So I'm looking out here. I'm at a place called the Omni Tower, which is very close to, it's on site 4, just a tiny walk from Nana Plaza. And it's extremely central. Like, it's, you know, you couldn't get more central. It's 15,000 baht at the moment. That's a steal. I've just been speaking to the landlord, and he said that he's brought the rent from 24,000 down to 15,000 baht. So they're just great bargains to get right now in Bangkok. So I'm going to flip you around here and give you a look. Yeah, you come in the main door here, and then I'll just flip you around. So like, you have kind of like this is kind of like a kitchenette. So you have a really good sized fridge here. This is huge. Wow, like, you know, certainly not bigger than one I've got at the moment. And you've got a really nice size fridge box. Like, this is a huge fridge. You've got your washing machine in here, like plenty of space for it, so why not? Okay, so you've got a kitchenette here. So we have a little kitchenette in the one in On Nut, which, to be honest, I think should be more open plan, because space is a real issue. And then you have your bathroom here, good sized bathroom. You know, everything you need, really, like, you know. Good size loo, everything's good. So I'm just going to show you the full length of this living room. This is massive for Bangkok. So like I said, you've got this kind of dividing partition here, and then kind of a storage unit there. You've got your dining table, fantastic. You've got 2 armchairs and a 3-seater sofa. Like, this is incredible for Bangkok. You just will not get this anywhere near this kind of price in Bangkok. So you know, this is really fantastic. A good sized entertainment unit. TV could be a little bit bigger, but, like, you know, look, what can you do? You know, what can you say? Some good sized fans, aircon units, recessed into the ceiling. But let's take a look at the view. So you're just, like I said, you're just down, like, that's Suckenford Road just over there. Like, you really are in just as central as you could be in this area. When I was living in Bangkok back in March, I was staying in Soi 2, so very familiar with this area. All right, let's look at the bedroom. Like, oh my God, look at this size. So you have 2 bathrooms in a 1-bedroom unit. That is incredible for anything like now. So you've got a more storage unit here, so you really do you're spoiled for storage space. It's huge. Again, another bathroom. You have a bathtub this time. That's a luxury that I've not had here. It's pretty damn good. And then you have a really good sized wardrobe. So I know my girlfriend will be very happy with that. It's actually, you have a his and hers wardrobe. So I'm happy with that. And again, more storage unit, good sized bed. Is it a comfortable bed? It's good and soft, it's nice enough. Like, you could get a topper for it if you know, you need it a little bit more soft. It's up to you. Again, you have a sofa in your bedroom. Like there's a lot of firsts here. Like, I've never had a sofa, never had a bedroom big enough to put a sofa into it in Thailand. So this is really, really great. Coffee table. Again, another TV in your bedroom. That's awesome. I've never had that before. A vanity unit. So I could, you know, this could be my little work area. It'd be great. A little chair as well. I could sit up and do my work from. So yeah, I think this is a great value unit. And again, another plus for this unit is the landlord is happy to take 15,000 baht a month on a month-to-month basis. So there's no 3 months deposit. Okay, fair enough. Didn't hear that. I didn't realize I was. So you're not signed up to a year-long contract, which is, you know, what I currently have. So anyway, I'll show you more when I get downstairs. I'll show you more of the facilities in the building. I'll talk to you all then. Cheers. I'm actually just in the corridor here. I actually think you can tell a lot about the building. Sorry, I'm talking to myself. I think you can tell a lot about the building from the landlord areas, because this building is really well maintained for a building as old as it is. Like, yeah, it's flooring is brand new. The walls look like they're recently painted. Yes, probably the glue, yeah, the adhesive. So yeah, and like I actually just have to show you the elevators. Like the elevators are kind of small, but they look again really well maintained. And we're going to go check out the gym. So we're on the 8th floor now. This is where the clubhouse, it says, this is where the gym is. And what I love immediately is the gym is not being used by anybody.
That's great.
So I've never actually seen the gym in my building where it's not in use. Okay. So it's a really good sized space. Like, you know, you have all of your dumbbells, good sized dumbbells, steel, your bench press, you have your chest press, your boxing bags. Okay. I get, you know, the stuff looks like it's dated, to be fair, but you know, it's fine. Like, you know, they're all in use. Like, so long as they work, that's all that matters. Yeah, treadmills, they look old. So yeah, like, you know, you can't fault it. And like I said, it's currently it's not being used. So like, it's, you know, you'd have to run in a place to yourself. Okay, so this is the pool area.
Oh wow.
It is currently being used, so I won't try not to destroy the guy's privacy. And this is the outside of the building. You probably recognize this building. I've seen this building many times, but I've never been inside. So it's a really lovely pool. It's getting some great sunshine. You have a basketball area. Oh. A basketball area, and it's probably an area out there you could also do your exercise if you're looking to do some calisthenics. Okay, the ladies are trying to clean, so I won't disturb them too much.